Good morning, students. How are you? Have your breakfast? Let's start our lesson. Okay. Today we are going to see the continuation of Tamil Nadu New Syllabus Science Book Term 2 Lesson 1 Heat. Please watch my previous video and the continuation of that video is provided by me today. Okay. Today we are going to see the next topic is heat and temperature. What is nothing but heat and what is nothing but temperature? They given in simple manner. Okay. Temperature. Temperature is nothing but if a material is made up of atom as well as molecule. If a material is made up of atom as well as molecule. While we provide some temperature or heat into that material, the atom or molecule that present in that material start move or vibrate. That is nothing but temperature. How fast the atom or molecule vibrate or move within the substance is nothing but temperature. And the next one is heat. What is nothing but heat? Heat is nothing but it not only depends on temperature. What is temperature? Temperature means atom or molecule that move or vibrate within the substance is nothing but temperature. Heat is called both the temperature as well as it need some more molecule. It compared to temperature, heat need more molecule, so that only it depends upon more molecules also. Then the heat will measure average kinetic energy. What is nothing but kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is nothing but motion or movement. And there is some another name also there, that is potential energy. Potential energy is opposite of kinetic energy, that is rest. Kinetic energy means motion. In simple word we can say that is motion, and for potential energy we can say that is of rest. And heat measures the total kinetic energy. The total kinetic energy, it implies if we take a two material, see, if I take this is also a material, a hand as well as a cup of coffee. The cup of coffee is hotter than this hand, right? So here more heat or more temperature will be present, and this heat will transfer to this hand. This makes this transfer is nothing but kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. How fast the heat is transferred between two material or two things are called kinetic energy. I think you understand this. Next, see an activity. Let's take a two pan, and I fill this pan with 1 liter of water and this pan with 5 liters of water, and start boiling and this to attain 100 degree Celsius, nothing but boiling point. And they ask that which water will attain first 100 degree Celsius. Which water? This small pan of water will attain 100 degrees Celsius before this 5 liter or big pan of water. This is due to small quantity. This is due to what? Small quantity. Here the water will be small compared to this water, right? Here it is 1 liter water and here it is 5 liter of water. That's because the small liter of water gets boiled first when compared to the more liter of water. Okay. If you want to measure heat, we want to say calorie. or centigrade. Centigrade. We know that. See here, 100 degrees Celsius, centigrade, 100 degrees Celsius or centigrade, 60 degrees Celsius, like that. If you want to measure a material temperature or as well as heat, we want to make a degree as Celsius, calorie, centigrade, etc. Okay. See the diagram of this. See the picture. Which has more heat energy in each pair? See here. Here the in this pot of water, the water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, and the water temperature is also 100 degrees Celsius. Here also a spoon of water. This is also 100 degrees Celsius. Here also a pot of water. This is 60 degrees Celsius. Here also a 90 degrees Celsius pot of water. They asked which one have more heat energy. You can say in simple manner and by watching this figure. Which one have more heat energy? This, isn't it? 100 degrees Celsius of pot water have more heat energy. This also 100 degrees Celsius, even though this the pot have more water when compared to spoon, right? So the more heat energy when compared to this 4, this pot have more heat energy. Okay, yeah. Then Pavitra, a girl called Pavitra, he is sitting near to her pond with a cup of tea. He is suddenly thinking that which a cup of tea or her pond have more heat energy. Can you understand, everyone? That is, her name is Pavitra, right? Her name is Pavitra. She is thinking that she has a cup of coffee or a tea, and she is sitting near to her pond. It has more water when compared to her cup of tea. She is thinking that my cup of tea have more heat energy when compared to this pond water. Whether it's right or wrong? It's wrong, because the cup of tea have some amount of water when compared to the pond water, right? The pond water is more when compared to the cup of tea. So the heat energy get distributed over this pond. The distributed nothing but it's split to every atoms, molecules that present in the water. So while collecting all this water, and if you measure the heat energy, when compared to this coffee, the heat energy will be more in pond only. The heat energy will be more in pond when compared to coffee. Okay, yeah. Then we are going to learn about flow of heat. Flow of heat. Okay. Flow of heat. Flow nothing but what? Flow means what? Moving, right? This, whether you see this type of water in anywhere, yes, while raining we can see this type of water. This is called puddle. And while raining or any other by means of something, this water occur in some places, and by overflowing this water go to the pond, right? And by overflowing the pond water, it go to the river, and by overflowing the river water, it go to the reservoir, and finally it go to the sea or ocean. See clearly, from puddle to pond to reservoir, to river to reservoir to finally the sea water. Why I am saying this is flow of heat. We are learning about flow of heat, not the water, right? So from while you see this, the puddle will be very small when compared to pond, and the river will be and the pond will be very small when compared to river, and the river will be small when compared to reservoir, and reservoir will be small when compared to sea water, right? Likewise the heat energy travel from and also the water when it move to the next level, when it get overflow, or the water when it present higher degree, higher temperature, sorry, in the higher surface, or when it present higher surface, example like reservoir, if the water present the higher surface, it move to the downward surface, right? Likewise only the water get moved to the next stage. In that manner only the heat also move from higher temperature to lower temperature. The heat energy flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Let's see an activity. I am taking a two body. The two body will be A and B. The body A temperature is higher when compared to body B temperature. The body A temperature is higher when compared to body B temperature. I am just combining both the body into one, and I take some minutes, and I just measuring the temperature of two body, and there is no difference in the temperature. Both the body temperature is equal. Why? This is due to thermal equilibrium. This is due to what? Thermal equilibrium or thermal contact. In the firstly there is no contact between A and B, and I just make them to contact, and I just measure the temperature of two material, and there is no temperature differences between both the material. Okay, let's see an activity. I'm taking a cup of coffee, and I'm just holding that cup of coffee. In this, the coffee is hotter while compared to my hand. Okay. While in this, the author asked from which the heat energy will transfer. Which one have more heat energy? Cup of coffee, right? The cup of coffee have more heat energy when compared to my hand. So the heat energy transfer from my cup of coffee to my hand. Then next one. While a boy or a girl who is standing in a sunny day at 12 o'clock in the main road, what do you feel? You feel very hot and you feel very sweat, and you like to need a shadow to comfort yourself, right? So and in that situation, the heat energy, whether the heat energy transfer from my body to the atmosphere or atmosphere to my body, the heat energy transfer from atmosphere, that is from sun to my body, right? Okay. And in a cold day, in a sunny day, and whether you have seen the news yesterday, they have noticed that in Kashmir, more snow. Kashmir and all, more snow and snow. So whether you can imagine that you are standing in that place, and you are wearing more sweater, gloves, etc. And what do you feel? And what is your body temperature when compared to the atmosphere? When compared to atmosphere, our body temperature is hotter. So that only why? Because in the atmosphere full of cold, snow, etc., the breeze or the wind will be very, very colder than the normal time. So we are wearing sweater, gloves, boots, etc., so that our body get produce some temperature, some heat to comfort ourselves. So the heat energy will be transferred from our body to the atmosphere. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then there will be a very, very important question, that is thermal equilibrium. What is nothing but thermal equilibrium? What is nothing but thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium is nothing but, here you see, I told no, here on activity, that is A, B, while I am contacting, their temperature become equilibrium. That is called thermal equilibrium. If I take two material and I just contact that material, if I take two material of different temperature and I just contact the two material, and there is no temperature effect, or there will be temperature difference, but there is no effect of temperature. That is called thermal equilibrium. Okay, see here a cup of coffee of 80 degrees Celsius, and I kept in the kitchen table, and after 10 minutes I have measured the temperature of the coffee, and it become 30 degrees Celsius. Normally the room temperature will be 30 degree or 32 degrees Celsius, and it get equilibriumed. It gets thermal equilibrium get occur in that places. Okay, see here a bottle of milk and the kitchen table. I have kept here a bottle of milk from refrigerator. Oh, that is sorry. This is hot water. Okay, this is hot coffee or tea. Hot coffee become cold coffee, while I'm taking some milk from the refrigerator and I kept in the kitchen table. The milk in the refrigerator is very, very colder when compared to while I'm taking outside for some more minutes. So it get equilibriumed, and the temperature of the room as well as the temperature of the milk get equilibrium, and while we are touching, we won't feel any cooling effect. We feel very normal. Okay, today we have learned about heat and temperature. What is nothing but heat and what is nothing but temperature, and we have seen some activity, and we have seen flow of heat, thermal equilibrium, etc. Okay, if you take your evaluation part, page number 14. Choose the best answer. Choose the appropriate answer. When an object is heated, the molecule that make up the object began to move faster. Answer A, began to move faster. Second one, unit of heat is joule. Third one, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be, answer option D, around 40 degrees Celsius. Option D, around 40 degrees Celsius. An iron ball at 50 degrees Celsius is dropped in mug containing water at 50 degrees Celsius. The heat will, option B, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Option B, not flow from iron ball to water or water to iron ball. Then, Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First question, heat flow from a dash body to a dash body. Hot body and cold body. Right, first blank. Right in the first blank hot and the second blank cold. Second one, hotness of the object is determined by its temperature. Third one, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Fourth one, solids expand on heating and contact on cooling. Fifth question, two bodies are said to be in the state of thermal equilibrium. if there is no transfer of heat taking place. Equilibrium. True or false? If false, give the correct statement. First question. Heat is a kind of energy that flows from hot body to a cold body. True. Steam is formed when heat is released from water. True. Thermal expansion is always a nuisance. Cut the nuisance to beneficial. The answer is false, and cut the nuisance and write beneficial. Borosilicate glass do not expand much on being heated. True. The unit of heat and temperature are the same. Cut the same and write different, and answer is false. Roman number 5. Match the following. For question heat, answer is Joule. Temperature, Kelvin. Thermal equilibrium, no heat flow. Ice cube, 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling water, 100 degrees Celsius. Roman number 6. Analogy. Heat, Joule. Temperature, Kelvin. Ice cube, 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling water, 100 degrees Celsius. All of you write here 100 a degree Celsius. I can't write in this computer, so that I have didn't written. You please write 100 degree Celsius. Third one, total kinetic energy of the molecules, heat, average kinetic energy, temperature. Okay, next question, Roman number 7. Give very short answer. Make a list of electrical equipments at home which we get heat from. Page number 2. Page number 2. Mark the source of heat. Sun, combustion or burning, friction, electricity. Only the heading, not the only the heading. Okay. And the next question is, what is temperature? Page number 4. What is temperature? Page number 4. What is temperature? Page number 4. Here it is. From the temperature, the measurement of warmness to Kelvin. Measurement of warmness to Kelvin. And the fourth question is, what do you mean by thermal equilibrium? What do you mean by thermal equilibrium? Page number 7. What do you mean by thermal equilibrium? Page number 7. Mark this. Thermal equilibrium to others temperature. Thermal equilibrium to others temperature. And Roman number 8. Question number 2. Distinguish between heat and temperature. Distinguish between heat and temperature. Page number 5. Page number 5. Mark from the temperature to molecules in the substance. Mark from the temperature to molecules in the substance. Okay, students. Today we have learned about heat and temperature and some activity, and we have marked some questions. Yes. Okay, what's your job? Your job is need to study the lessons, study the question answers carefully and with good understanding. With don't learn any question without understanding. If you have any doubt, please make a comment on it. I will explain you every answer. Okay, yeah. Okay, students. Be safe in your home. Be happy always. Thank you.